JASMY down roughly 1.48% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The amount sort of is presently at $0 in unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin for the most part is floating at $90,155,432, which generally is very critical. JASMY in every practical sense has its truly next obstruction at $0, or so they all things considered thought. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense 1 week from now and essentially attempt to respond to these regularly gotten clarification on pressing issues. What sort of is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin? For the most part is JASMY a sort of wise venture, or so they fundamentally thought. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they especially thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the JASMY specialized examination, for the most part let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations in a fundamentally significant manner. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1.182,407,897,617 fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The kind of absolute exchanging volume remains at $52,294,939,930, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period, really in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 2.13 and at present exchanging at 50 cents. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they explicitly thought. These occasions for the most part show that the market is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment, exhibiting how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is very huge. Right now, a general especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of significant manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every practical sense all the more essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Further appearance how JASMY fundamentally has its extremely next opposition at $0 a kind of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. By and large, further appearance how JASMY down roughly 1.48% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a kind of enormous manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The very current Jasmy coin cost explicitly is $0, with an exchanging volume of $90,155,432 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Presently, JASMY truly is somewhere near 1.48% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $22,426,275 USD, which especially shows that following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The extremely current Jasmy coin cost essentially is $0, with an exchanging volume of $90,155,432 in the truly beyond 24 hours, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy Coin Value Investigation JASMY Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time period in a real sense made sense of underneath, which sort of shows that similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which merchants become move pretty dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Further appearance how JASMY down roughly 1.48% inside the very most recent 24 hours, or so they especially thought. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving sort of normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving normal and dramatic moving kind of normal to sort of examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, exhibiting how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which essentially is very critical. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin financial backers need to in every way that really matters. Sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day diagram, which by and large is very huge. Jasmy coin for the most part is moving in kind of descending heading as really bears effectively in every practical sense. Take the coin beneath quick help level of $0. So the MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12% in an exceptionally significant manner. Presently JASMY ought to really track down a help at $0. More than likely the merchants could then focus on the significant help level set at $0, which fundamentally shows that JASMY in every practical sense has its in every practical sense next obstruction at $0 a by and large significant manner. The kind of relative strength file for JASMY coin certainly is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days truly normal line, which generally implies JASMY fundamentally is an oversold zone and a pattern essentially inversion in every practical sense is conceivable, exhibiting that JASMY down roughly 1.48% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. While JASMY's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange signal most certainly is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense is very critical. Hence Jasmy coin in a real sense is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to all things considered, suggests that the cryptographic money truly is in a problematic circumstance that can't for the most part be corrected, which for the most part shows that the by and large relative strength record for JASMY coin generally is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days essentially normal line, which fundamentally implies JASMY in every practical sense is an oversold zone and a pattern reasonably inversion certainly is conceivable, exhibiting that JASMY down roughly 1.48% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally enormous manner. Regardless of whether the cost in every practical sense is falling consistently, it generally is guessed that the two help levels will act as serious areas of strength for and cause the